Have you ever wanted to start your own garden from scratch but didn't know where to begin? Well, the first step is choosing the right seeds. Consider your space and climate, as different seeds thrive in different conditions. Now, let's look at a seed packet. It's your cheat sheet for successful planting. It tells you the planting depth, spacing, and light requirements. Understanding this information is crucial to get your seeds off to a good start. Remember, choosing the right seeds is the first step to successful seed starting. Now that you've chosen your seeds, it's time to prepare your containers. Whether it's trays, pots, or recycled containers you fancy, the one thing they must have is drainage holes at the bottom. This allows excess water to escape, preventing your seeds from drowning. Now, grab a high-quality seed starting mix to fill your containers. This isn't just dirt from your backyard. It's a blend of ingredients designed to give your seeds the nutrients they need to grow. With your containers ready, you're one step closer to seeing your seeds grow. With your containers prepared, it's time to get those seeds planted. Start by making small holes in the soil, following the depth and spacing guidelines indicated on your seed packets. Gently place your seeds in the holes, covering them lightly with soil. The next step is crucial. Label each container with the name of the plant and the date of planting. This will help you keep track of the progress and identify the plants as they grow. Now let's talk about watering. Using a spray bottle or a watering can with a fine rose, gently water the seeds. Be careful not to wash them away or dislodge them. It's essential to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Position your containers in a warm, sunny spot. Seeds need warmth to germinate and sunlight aids their growth. Remember, patience is key. In a few weeks you should start to see your seeds germinate and grow into seedlings. Congratulations! Your seeds have sprouted into seedlings. But what's next? It's time to give them more space to grow. When the seedlings have a couple of true leaves, they're ready to be transplanted. Using a spoon, gently lift the seedling, taking care not to damage the roots. Make a hole in the new pot or garden bed, place the seedling in and firm the soil around it. Keep them well watered and watch them thrive. With careful transplanting, your tiny seedlings will soon grow into mature plants. And there you have it, the basics of starting seeds. We've covered selecting the ideal seeds for your space and climate, preparing your containers with a high-quality seed starting mix, planting and watering your seeds, and finally, transplanting your flourishing seedlings. This knowledge will set you on the right path to growing your own plants from scratch. Thanks for joining us for Seed Starting 101. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!